So hi everyone, we are talking today about the Unconference. Tomorrow we'll be talking about the short course, the NLP course, if you saw that on the agenda, just a little switcheroo. So Unconference, who knows what that is or who's heard of it? I think some people, because I've recognized faces from Unconference last year, which is great. So we have some, but some who don't know. Don't worry, I'll tell you just now. So what is an Unconference is a really good question. It sounds kind of funny. It's like, is it undoing a conference? Technically, yes, it is. But let's start first with what a conference is to understand what then is the unconference. So a conference, we are here now. It's very meta, right? What is this thing? We're doing it now. So a conference at a high level is a person on stage or at a lectern talking to you, right? So by definition, conferences are necessarily a one-way conversation. One person's talking, maybe two people, and many people are listening in the audience. And the organizers are the people who select the topics and the people who are going to be talking. And usually at a conference, that's where you're going to really show your sort of fully baked ideas, your mature ideas. You've done something, quite a few times, a few iterations, and that's what you're going to show off. That's wonderful, and there's a great use for those conferences. And conferences, not this one, but others you may have been to in your life perhaps, are quite hierarchical, very stiff perhaps, and you hear very similar voices of people that maybe are always the one who are talking. Whereas in unconference, we're undoing that structure. So this is where many people are discussing something, and it's a two-way conversation necessarily. So there's many people talking, and there's many people listening, and that's really the key sort of star that we've put there. And anyone is suggesting the topics and the people who are going to be talking. So it's very much a community-driven, ground-up approach, not so much decided by a committee where you might not know who those people are. And the topics here are vibes, right? They are thoughts, they are raw, they are, did you know this new thing? Or ggplot2, we've got the 4.0, what chaos happened to you? Could you tell me, how did you learn from it, right? So it's maybe not something that's a fully baked, mature idea, but more just like something you want to talk about or discuss. And this idea of an unconference comes from a larger framework and tradition called liberating structures. We're not going to go into that in too much now, but if you're interested, let us know. Pawel and I would love to talk to you about it. This is a little screenshot of some of their beautiful icons. I would really recommend to Google if you've not heard of liberating structures before.
Right, so over the last 2 years, Brittany, me, Mary, and a bunch of other lovely, lovely people, we realized that it's a match made in heaven. Essentially, you, the community of NHS-R, NHS-Python, and the idea of Unconference, it sort of glues together. I tried to bring this board, so I'm going to ask you to turn around. You see the big white thing? The wheel broke, and I couldn't roll it in here into the stage.
That's where he was going to come in dramatically and wheel it in so you could see. But
yeah, ouch.
Imagine it later.
But essentially what you're going to see on this picture. On the left, there's what's going on the main conference. So we have time slots, who's talking in here, but then also there will be these pieces of paper with a sticker saying what's going on out there in the sort of discussion rooms. So this was 2003. You can see there's a lot of arts and crafts. I don't know if Unconference is meant to be like this. Much of that we just made up as we flew. We love arts and crafts. So on the left, you'll see what's going on in the main room, and then there'll be topics suggested by random people, as in you. And then any of you can come and suggest a topic. We'll talk about this in a second. But if you want to go, just put a sticker saying, I'm going. And if you just love it and you support it and like it, but you say presenting here, or you're someone else you want to listen to, just put a sticker, I support it. So I'm going, I'm supporting. This was a year later. We already had 3 rooms last year. So there were tables growing. Tomorrow, we have 2 rooms, but also we separated tiny corners in each room. If there's more topics, see those columns. If there's more topics, we'll fit you in. So 2005, that's this year, and you are the person. So there's no picture for this, because the picture didn't exist. Half an hour ago, we literally drew it. It's there. This will be sort of where coffee is, the timetable. So I would like each of you to essentially suggest one or put a lot of stickers.
So in terms of suggesting the topics and what these sessions are about, so we'll call them sessions rather than talks because it's more of a community discussion. So you suggest the topics. No one is in charge. There's no rules, except for the only rule is that the organizers can't suggest a topic, so the facilitators. So you're not going to see Mary, me, or Pawel writing our own ideas. That's not the point. It's all of your ideas. And what these conversations, sessions can be are discussions, demos, sharing, support session, commiseration, if you will, or just being like, that was really cool, whatever you like, really. So the world is your oyster in terms of what it could be. And the really nice feature of an unconference is that you can suggest a topic that you might want to talk about, or perhaps one that you would like to hear other people talk about who have more experience in that area. So you can very much feel empowered to suggest anything. You just want to be around and listen to that conversation. So we have some examples here. Maybe I found/made this cool thing. Come see what I did. Or I'm thinking about this. Are you thinking about this? Am I the only one thinking about this? Or what's the meaning of life? You can really go as expansive as you're interested in with your topics.
And this is a bunch of screenshots from last few years. I really like the right-hand side middle. It was NHS plus meh. There was always the question, is it R, is it pi, com, like what are we? And we just found out today, is that aw. Is that how you pronounce it? So we are NHS-RPy. But 2 years ago, around the table, there was a bunch of people who were thinking about it. And then last year, it was solidifying, and this year you're getting right? Yeah. So this is quite cool. Like a lot of really, really interesting things came out of these conversations. For example, the course we teach.
Yes.
Came out of this. I think I'm talking about this tomorrow.
Yes. So code of conduct, the usual stuff. Be nice, be respectful, be curious. Listen more than you talk, right? So we want this to be, if you're suggesting a topic, perhaps you have something to say, but the goal is that you're listening and absorbing the, influence of the community and their ideas. Definitely do talk. Be sticker happy, trigger happy. Stickers are the way you're communicating your love and your support and your passion. And when you are going into the unconference space, which will be tomorrow in the 2 rooms back there, leave and enter the main room quietly if you can, because this is all sort of an open space. And this is a real artifact from
2 years
two years ago. We've saved it just for you here, so you can have a look there. And how you can get involved on this day, we do have the board with the broken wheel, but what you'll do is suggest your topics and add your stickers. Pawel can explain a bit more.
Essentially, there is a bunch of wee pieces of cardboard, and just write what you want the session to be about, what you want to discuss, what you want to present, what you want to hear about, and then write your name just so it's easier for people to spot you. We had some hilarious names written. Yeah. There was one, I was like, I want to know about careers as junior analysts, and the name was the person who needs it. Write whatever, and then leave people a lot of space for putting stickers on. Stars essentially mean like, yeah, I support it, but I can't come. And circles mean, yeah, I'll be there. I think this is our last slide, and we have a minute. So I'm going to do a little exercise with you, because I'm a teacher, and we can't escape being a teacher, yeah? I want you all, I'll give you 30 seconds to actually think about what would you like to hear about or talk about tomorrow at one of the unconference sessions. And then I'll give you 30 seconds to tell it to the person sitting next to you. So now I'll be quiet for 30 seconds, try to think what would be fun to hear about or talk about. So now something's in your heart. Look in the eye of a person standing or sitting next to you and pitch it to them. 30 seconds, 40.
I would love to talk about this. That's a shame about the wheel. You're welcome.
10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. Right. So everyone, I'll grab your attention because we're the only people who stand between you and lunch.
Yeah.
So
and it does look nice. So
lunch looks lovely. Right. So take that thoughts and take that curiosity and take that interest and then take a pen and suggest those topics. Essentially, on each of the time slots, each of the time slots, there's 2 big rooms and 2 smaller rooms. Mm-hmm. Write something, put it on wherever it brings you joy, and then read what everyone else written and put your stickers on it. Yeah? Tomorrow we'll run this alongside the main conference. You figured out the acoustics here are a tiny bit annoying, so we're gonna have to be organized and like respectful. But thanks for having us, and this is exciting.
If you have any questions, just find us.
Us and Mary.
And Mary! The curly hair people.